Ever heard that cracking your knuckles is a fast track to arthritis? This age-old tale has had many of us second-guessing our knuckle-cracking habits, but what's the real deal? Time for a fact check. Scientific research has shown there's no concrete link between the harmless popping sound and the onset of arthritis. Surprised? Well, that sound you hear is actually just gas bubbles bursting in your joint fluid. Sure, excessive cracking might lead to temporary hand swelling or slightly reduced grip strength, but as far as arthritis goes, your joints are safe. So if it feels good, crack on. Got more myths needing a fact check? Subscribe and join the conversation below.